Meaning of hammy.
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 Hammy. The term hammy refers to an exaggerated or over-the-top style of acting. It is typically used to describe a performance that is overly dramatic and artificial, often characterized by exaggerated facial expressions and gestures. Actors who are described as hammy tend to overplay their roles, drawing attention to themselves rather than serving the story or the ensemble. The term has its roots in the early 20th century theater, when actors were said to be hamming it up if they were being overly theatrical. Overall, being hammy is seen as a negative quality in acting, indicating a lack of subtlety and nuance.